Alright guys, I'm at Hilo right now, Hawaii, and this place is so empty. As you can see, this is my place right here. This is where I'm staying. Look at this guy. We are walking down the crater. What, you wanna pee? What? This is crazy. I'm here at a crater. If you look at it, this is the crater. There's all these formations and this is huge. Oh, so these are the berries, huh?
These are the he'e, H-E-E. Yep, he'e berries. You can eat them? Mm-hmm.
You sure? Is this safe?
Oh yeah, I'm positive. I'm positive. This is the most I've seen down here.
Mm.
The cotton berries.
He'e berry.
H-A-A.
Yeah, H-E-E.
H-E-E.
Yep.
Say hi, Jen. Hey. There you go. Your face is right in the middle of the screen. Hi, Zach. How are you? There's Henry with the berries. Okay. Yep. There you go.
You want to eat it?
Okay. I'll eat it. I'm filming you guys climbing. Just go. Yay. So let's go. Henry. Henry, let's go. Alright. Okay, just watch out for the rock. It's loose. Yeah. Yeah, it's loose. I don't know. Alright, let's go. Wow, this is really...
It's really hot, right?
Yeah, it's really hot. Ooh. Let's do this.
What's up, man? What's up? Yeah, we're gonna be trying some shrooms tomorrow, imported from Amsterdam.
What?
Jen's gonna try some shrooms from Hawaii. Let's see who gets more high tomorrow. And let's see what stupid things we're gonna do. Esteemed ancestors, the kings, the queens, the chiefs, they all buried them on the mountain. Yeah, telescopes up there. They didn't want another one up there. But yeah, these are all burial grounds.
It looks really like a tomb. So entirely you can't be sensitive.
This telescope in the world. And the Hawaiians, they were protesting it. So right here they have a little shelter where they would sit and they would turn the Hawaiian flag upside down in a state of distress. And they finally won. They finally beat out the... And if we look at the winter clothing, look at the rest of the guys.
Hi.
Mauna Kea, Hawaii's most sacred site.
How are you doing today? Hey, I'm doing well, man. So tell me, how cold is this?
So cool, man. It's like freezing right now.
How
And,
cold is it right now?
It's like 40 degrees Fahrenheit.
My ears unfrozen. But if I take the hood off, it's frozen immediately. Like I can't speak English properly right now. It's because I'm so cold. Alright, we're going to the top.
Very different with the energy over here. Burial grounds for the native Hawaiians. Also
Wow.
See that?
It gets faster and faster. Finally stopped.
I've never seen one in person, I've only seen them in videos.
Whoa. Whoa. Let's try again.
It's got to be perfectly straight.
It's almost pennies there, but it's a very best. $150 million a year for the local.
Where issues can be discussed by these different constituencies on a regular, formal basis.